kitchen. Oh wow. I don't even know if I should even touch.
You alright, man?
Oh shit. Look at this shit. This shit is man, get the fuck out of here, man. Probably get fleas and everything in this motherfucker, man. Gotta make a video. Excuse me. Oh, you good? Come on.
Checking this room.
You don't fall and hurt yourself now. Let me check that out. Oh my God.
And it's Chucky vibe. You know?
What is that? Oh man. That's crazy. Completed renovation.
And do he have landscaping too? No? Okay.
Man, this shit nice, man.
Do you
Good
know
job,
how
man.
time on this?
You did a real good job. Ceiling, closets, here. You can have the pantry.
I'm gonna pay now. He said he wanna pay
The windows.
this one.
He said he wanted
Whole new house. Show you guys the before and after. Vanity. Furnace. Great job, man. My contractor does these jobs. If you need any jobs done, contact me, email me. Hit me on Instagram in the DM. But y'all remember that voodoo house with all those dolls. Check it out now. Down there. It's complete. Huh?
Y'all told me it was 2 bathrooms.
I thought it was. It's just one. It's just one bathroom?
Yeah, 1.5.
1.5 bath, okay. Alright, this is a great job though. I mean, wow. Damn. Yeah, he did a good job. You didn't do anything on the outside. Just the shutters. Shutters. Ready to sell. And guys, I do coach. Show you how to be a flipper. AC. Backyard gonna need some little touch up, but we'll get it together. Got some flooding right here.